Hi, I'm Helen and we're here to spend a day following Purple. It's overnight oats for breakfast today, really quick and easy and just one smart point. I've got smoked salmon in my sandwiches today because it's 0 points and I'm taking one of these as well as I've got a busy day ahead. See you later! Home now and looking forward to seeing Ian and the dogs.
Hello, Jelly.
This is Ian. Hello. And this is where we spend the evening walking after a busy day at work, getting those steps in and earning some fit points. Dinner tonight is the cheese and onion pie from the WW app and 9 smart points on Purple. What do you think of the pie, Ian? Dinner's eaten, the dogs are walked, and now it's time to catch up with all my WW friends on Connect. Bye everybody!